Good afternoon, this is Tim with Capital Renovations, here for claim number Y3Z DP 96719. Going to be doing an attempted repair, checking for these points of failure. It is 78 degrees Fahrenheit today on October 31st, 2024. This is the shingle that will be getting replaced, this 3-tab shingle. Put you on the tripod and get started here. Make sure that is good angle for you. There we go. All right, so I'll be talking through this repair. There we go. I will be using the industry standard roof snake. This is the proper tool for this job. I'll be doing the proper procedure for this and talk you through it as I go. First thing I'm going to do is get these shingles, unstuck. This is, an older shingle, so they are pretty loose already. Most of them on this roof are lifted, but I'll go ahead and get these unstuck. This is the proper procedure for this. Yeah, they're all pretty loose already. This is the shingle. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting these nails out. I'm just going to lift it, identify the nail, and remove it. And that is going to be the same thing the whole way down. Move my pitch hopper down a little bit. Alright, so again, I'm just going to lift this enough to identify the nail. That would kind of pull through. I'm just going to leave it until I get the shingle out. Alright. I'm going to be gentle as possible with these shingles. They are noticeably brittle. Okay, that should be all the bottom nails. This is going to be high nailed, so I'll go ahead and get those out. Coming out pretty easy. Oh, I already had that nail. Okay. Again, just lifting it. Nails are in there pretty high, so I am having to use this roof snake pretty far in. They're not in the strike zone, they're in the middle of the shingle. The middle of the top of them. Okay. So that might be enough to get that shingle out. So just to document this, I'll get my shingle gauge and show you about, let's see, hopefully you can probably see that. Let's see. Yeah, that's a 20-year shingle. Likely discontinued, but I'll send it out. Go ahead and get this new shingle in here. This new one into place, and then I'm going to use the roof snake tool to get the nails in. So I'm just going to lift these enough, get that nail in the strike zone, and install the nail. And then it's going to be the same procedure all the way down, lifting it just enough to get the roof snake in. And installing that nail. I'm not going to put my nails as high as the original. They were pretty high up under that shingle. Just going to put them right in the strike zone. Drive them in. Okay, now for the high nails. Off those nails. The roof snake does not drive the nails in all the way. When you put it in the notch, you actually have to take it out of that and finish them off. And one more nail to go. Okay, right there. Right, so that is a fully installed shingle with a roof snake tool. Go ahead and get you off the tripod and take a look at these shingles. All right, still recording. All right, so already I can see some issues with these shingles. If you look at this one here, you can see some creasing. If I can make the camera focus, there we go. You can see some creasing, some granule loss. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm just gonna run my hand on this. Yeah, you can see, like, with a heavy rain, that's what it's gonna look like. It's starting to crease, lose granules, and that is a failed repair. Even though I was very gentle at these, you can see these are just very brittle shingles. They crease easily, they lose granules. Just to show you, maybe a normal shingle over here that hasn't been disturbed still loses granules, but not as substantially as ones where a repair was made. So in order to change that one shingle, I had to damage 3 others. So for every shingle, you know, this is another one, this would have to be repaired as well. So I'm gonna go to the checklist here. Go up the checklist. So creasing as a fail, there was significant creasing. Brittle test, they are brittle. That's why they're having the issues they are having. Mat transfer, I didn't see any mat transfer, so that would be a pass. Granule loss, substantial granule loss, so that's a fail. So overall, this attempted repair is a fail. These are non-repairable shingles. So this is Y3Z DP 96719. Thank you.